for 32% battery left. That'll be good for the next 20 minutes, I'd say. We'll get what we can get. Maybe I'll run with my charger and we'll see how I feel. I think we will. May miss some of the track because I don't really want to stop at the moment. How you going? You good? Did you come from Heathcote or?
Yeah, from Heathcote, yeah.
How far is it roughly?
2 miles.
2 miles?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Close to the pools if we head that way.
Yeah, I've not run this way before. I've run down to the pools previously.
Yeah.
But I've not run this part of the track, so.
Alright.
Is it like this the rest of the way?
It gets pretty flat once you get to the bottom.
Oh, good.
I mean, flat, but it's still a bit.
I was trying to run it, and this bit is not particularly runnable.
To run, yeah.
See you guys. Have a good day. Yeah, this bit not runnable, but we'll just call this the intermission. Still beautiful though. That hurt. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Gosh, there's a lot of people out. Hey there. Squeeze past.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Thank you. Have a good day. That's cool. I might have just a few minutes here.
And I arrived in summer, so as soon as I arrived, and it was cooking because I was staying in Bangkok, and I touched the water, I was like, what? And I looked around and like, someone is this just today?
Take a quick photo.
Look at Max now. You're not going in there. No, over here. That's good. I'll demonstrate. Ready?
No, there was that, doesn't it?
Do you know whereabouts the trail is out of there? Is it that way? Yeah. Ah, it's fine. I'll work it out, thanks.
You're up again.
Alright, just got to work out how to get out of here. That's Audley, I don't want to go that way. We're here. Do you guys...
walk around and go over there.
You go around that way, do you?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
the way we came round. Across here, you follow the water around.
Oh,
That's the way
excellent.
we came.
Well, that's okay. That is, are you heading up
Yeah.
towards Heathcote, are you?
Yes, we are.
Oh,
Yeah,
excellent.
yeah.
You're an amazing help, thanks.
You're going to be so far ahead of us. Well, Graham.
Thank you. Have a good day. Quick photo up here.